Hey everybody, it's Gavin. About to make some Butterfinger Blizzard Shakeology. So here's the ingredients you need. Almond milk vanilla, got some Jello butterscotch flavored, natural peanut butter, and of course chocolate Shakeology, glass of ice. So I'm going to put all this in the blender here. I'm hoping it's going to come out kind of thick, like a Blizzard would be from like your Dairy Queen or something like that. We're going to find out. So, you need a half a cup of vanilla almond milk, so it's about a half a cup. You also need a half a cup of water. Alright, next, okay, so this is the butterscotch Jello. I have a half a tablespoon here. You need 1 full tablespoon. Alright, there you go. Same thing with the peanut butter. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Okay, close enough. Get the extra peanut butter off my finger here. Alright, so good to go. I'm going to add the Shakeology in while it's blending up here. Here it is. Let's check it out. So it looks like it's pretty thick, but nothing you can't drink, right? Let's give it a try. That's pretty amazing. So this is the shake I tried today. Chocolate Shakeology, Butterfinger Blizzard. Give it a try. Hopefully I'll see you again.